Whether football looks like this for you or like this, if you are a fan of fantasy football and are looking for a logo for your team, this video is for you. I'm Nona Blackman for Envato Tuts Plus, and in this video, I'll share some of the coolest fantasy football team logos you can find at Placeit, and then I'll show you how you can make your own team logo quickly and easily with the Placeit Logo Maker. At Placeit, there are fantasy football logos for women's teams, for children's teams, and even logos with animal themes. There are logos showing action and others featuring sports equipment. There's even a wide selection of cool animated logos. So whether you play the internationally renowned game of football or the American version, Placeit has just about every kind of fantasy football team logo you can imagine. And if you haven't seen what you're looking for here, there are plenty more at placeit.net for you to check out. Now that you have an idea of some of the best fantasy football logos Placeit has to offer, let me show you how easy it is to create your own amazing logo. Go to placeit.net, choose logos, then sports teams, then soccer. Browse the selection on offer, and when you find a logo you like, click on it to open the logo maker. Starting on the right, you can keep the default graphic or browse through the available graphics to choose the one you like the most. You can also look for other graphics by entering a search term in the search bar. I like the original graphic the most, so I'll stick with that. Now let's refine the color scheme. Starting from the top bar, you can change the color of the background, the main color, and the accent color of your graphic. When you're done, move to the controls on the left of the template. Here you can make any changes to the text that you want to. You can also change the font and the color of the font. I like the font colors here, so I'll keep them. When you're happy with your design, you can download it here. You may have noticed this box in the lower part of the template. This is an animated version of your logo. Click it to open up the animated logo generator. You'll need to click Update Slide to save the changes you already made to your template. You can make additional changes to the animated template here if you want to. And when you're happy with it, download it here. And that's how you create a fantasy football team logo quickly and easily. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, don't hesitate to give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see other terrific videos from Envato Tuts Plus, you gotta subscribe. I'm Nona Blackman, and I'll see you next time.